Kaman's thread checker product is a very simple sensor designed to check the presence or absence of threads in a hole. And to illustrate just how simple it is to use, we set up this display here with a sample of a Kaman thread checker. The electronics is here, and the probe is mounted over here above a series of samples of threaded holes and non-threaded holes. We also have a control box over here that will control this whole process. So just to show you how easy it is to use, first you connect the thread checker to a plus 24 volt power supply. You connect the sensor to the SMA connector on the front of the electronics. At that point, you simply push the teach button on the front of the thread checker. That puts it into calibrate mode, and you can see that by the flashing thread light on the electronics. You then insert the probe into a sample of a good threaded part. Press the teach button again. You'll see the threaded light flashes at a different frequency. Then we'll insert the probe into a sample of an unthreaded part. We'll press the teach button again, and the thread checker is completely calibrated and ready to use. And you can see that the switched output from the device has indicated that it's an unthreaded part right now. We'll now set the display into auto mode, and you can see as it goes around the turntable and checks the individual parts, the light on the device will indicate that if you're a threaded part, that one was threaded, this one was threaded. On this one here, there were no threads, and you can see that the output indicates the part is bad. Calibration is saved in memory even after power off. It only needs to be repeated when the sensor is replaced, when the material of the part is changed, or when the thread size to be checked is changed. Operation is not affected by cutting oil, coolant, dust, metal filings, or other contaminants on the part. You can rest easy knowing your threaded parts are 100% inspected.